Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix fast charging not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. After click on battery, scroll down and click on charging settings. If you want to fix fast charging issue, so turn on fast charging button. After turn on fast charging button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, restart device, open quick settings panel, and you will see. Click on this power icon and click on restart. Restart phone. After restarting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix the fast charging not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.